How much should I budget for a kitchen remodeling? That's a great question. I'm gonna walk through in these specific options. So let's dive into two kitchen options. Let's take a look at this one right here. This is $150,000 kitchen against $75,000 kitchen. I'm sorry, $85,000 kitchen. I'm sorry. So $84,000 kitchen and $154,000 kitchen right here. I'll mark all of this down below and then we can break it down. So how much you should budget? You should budget somewhere between, depends what you want to spend. If your kitchen size is somewhere 16 by 13, about 208 square foot, 210 square foot, full home, full kitchen remodeling, complete cut out, start from finish, mirror edge cabinets, mirror edge vanity, more into the mirror and high-end cabinets, good appliances. Probably you're looking at to spend somewhere into $90,000 to $110,000. Now, if you want sub-zeros, you want the top of the line appliances, probably that kitchen without any structural, need like a moving structural wall, nothing like that. Full cut out, start from finish, start from fresh, do it right. You're looking at somewhere in the $140,000. So, and to give that information and to make easy for you to absorb, so here is a kitchen I was gonna go over. So this right here is $154,000 kitchen. It's about 35 and I think 34 and 13. It's kind of, but it's laundry room and kitchen together. So here are some renders what that may look like. This is the kitchen area. Here's another picture. This laundry area. These are the color options we showed to her. This is the sitting area right here. So the whole thing, all of this kitchen plus the room going to the back garage door, all of this. Let me see if I can share that right here. So right here, all of this kitchen started from here. It was $164,000 at a sub-zero, and obviously the kitchen is not that big. Now this other kitchen right here, 17, nothing structural. This is 16 by 13 kitchen, complete cut out, complete transformation. New update plumbing, new update electric. I start from fresh. This right here, it was, in this case, the fridge she had already. If we now get a new fridge, we just get in appliances. We get in a ranch, microwave drawer, dishwasher, all the things needed, no oven. And this is the kitchen will look like. This one was $90,000 with the appliances. In this case, she wants to apply the appliances straight to the appliance supplier. So if you add that to the appliances, about $90,000 kitchen. Somewhere between $140,000 to, so it's kind of hard because if you move walls, then for this size of kitchen, if you open up walls, you're looking at, so moving the wall is somewhere around $15,000. Depends how big is the wall. If it's bigger the wall, so the structural wall is about $15,000 to move. Depend how big it is, then price will go up or go low. Will go smaller.